Okay, we got the package unwrapped here. So we want to take it out of the box and see what we got. It's a little bit awkward getting it out. Let's see if I can turn it. Okay, here it is. Now we'll see how this box opens. Looks like we just pull it out of one end or something here. Okay. I don't know which is the top or the bottom, but there is. It's a large engine. You gotta carefully lift it out of here. Of course, it'll have to have all the hand railings and everything added. The Canadian National Railroad goes right by the depot here with about 25 trains a day, and so we'll see the prototype of this engine go by here. Our layout runs on DCC, and this isn't set up for DCC yet, so we can only temporarily run it to see how it works, but we won't be doing that today, or at this point. But here it is, our new USA Trains SD70 G-scale locomotive. Thanks for watching the video. We'll be looking forward to seeing it on the layout.